Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. I haven't done a sit down video in so long and I wanted to do a little bit of an updated makeup favorites and specifically featuring Charlotte Tilbury. I have so many products here that I've been trying over the past wee while and I wanted to kind of rate them for you guys. If you've had your eyes on Charlotte Tilbury products but just don't really know what to try, or you're just wondering if it's worth the hype, worth the money, I want to be honest and share my review about all these products. And I also have a little unboxing as well because some of my favorites have run out, so I've repurchased them. I thought why not just film a video and get back on my channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you're new here, I'm just going to jump on into today's video because it will be quite long. I do have a long list of products to get through, and yeah, like I said, this is my honest opinion. Like, these are all bought by myself, so I share some of my makeup faves that I've been loving recently. So I think we'll jump on into the unboxing because I haven't used them yet. I wanted to save it for this video. So I just repurchased some of my foundation and my setting spray because they are my two must-haves that I use up all the time. So this is what it looks like. You also get a few little samples, mascara, and then I also got the magic cream, which I'll give to my sister because it kind of irritates me. I'm not a huge fan of the Charlotte Tilbury skincare. Don't know what it is. I have quite sensitive skin anyway, so yeah, it's probably not their products. It's probably just my skin. These two setting sprays, if you've not tried these setting sprays, they're actually unreal. Like, they keep your makeup on the whole day. I wear them every single day. I have the travel size and I have the large size here. So you see how my skin kind of has a little bit of a glow? I think it's all down to this. Like, it's so good. You just spray it on. The fragrance is really nice. It's really fresh and I just find it's really like dewy and lightweight and keeps your makeup on the whole day. So I'll show you what it comes like in the package. Little package here. I ordered these from the app. You do get better discounts if you use the Charlotte Tilbury app, which is good to know because I didn't even know Charlotte Tilbury had an app. The version again, I just think they last so long, so I don't need to be buying like a £40 setting spray when I can buy the half price, well, £20 one when it's miniature, and it's handy if you're traveling or going somewhere. I just pop this in my bag. And something I definitely recommend is the Airbrush Flawless Foundation. So I'm not a huge fan of like the Flawless filter. I think it's just very sheer. I'm a full coverage gal. I really like full coverage. I really like, you know, when you're putting on makeup, what is my hair doing? Sorry guys. I really like when you're putting on makeup, you're putting on makeup. Do you know what I mean? Do you want to like look made up? So this is my go-to foundation for this. I'm in the shade 5 Cool. I kind of just eyeballed this off of the website a couple months back and it's my perfect match shade. They have a really good thing in the app, like you can put in other foundations that you wear and then they'll match you through that. So I think that's quite handy if you can't get to like a store. This is the new one here and she will be getting used in the next week, I'd say, because I only have a little bit left. And here is what the applicator looks like. So just a nice little pump. And yeah, this foundation is so good, so worth the money, 100% in my opinion. So sticking with face products, these are my other two go-to ones that I recommend. I know there's like bronzer sticks of this, look how floppy it is because I've almost finished it. I don't think they're like ideally worth the money. I think you can get a bronzer kind of at a more affordable price than these sticks, but the highlight is gorgeous. This, as you can tell, it's definitely well worn. I wear it every single day. I put it underneath my eyes and I use one of the little, where are they? I use one of these, like a little puff, and just kind of pop it under my eyes or my chin, and that also helps your makeup stay all day. These are refillable, so you can like use this little thing here, push it in and then buy the refill instead of having to buy the whole package again, which I just think is really good. Like, it saves you buying another one of these and you can keep using your compact. Yeah, totally recommend. It's like a filter, smooth on the skin. These, I'm sure you saw these everywhere. These are the Beauty Light wand, so I'll pop a tiny bit on. You see these girls popping this on their nose, but I don't know if I suit it. Hold on, I'll be back. Is that nice? So we have like a shiny nose now. But you can kind of pop this everywhere. The only thing is it gets a bit messy, so have a look at that. Like, it kind of is very messy. I was thinking of putting this in its own little pot, so like cutting it open and putting it in a little tub. I think that'd be better. I'm not a huge fan of these applicators with the sponge tips. I just find they kind of get everywhere. But the product is gorgeous. I have it on my cheeks, I put it on my inner corner, I put it on now my nose, everywhere. Yeah, gorgeous and kind of lasts all day. And over to eyes and brows. So I've tried a fair few of these, and these are my favorite ones that I would go back and repurchase. This is the Rock and Coal eyeliner. Have a wee look at that. So that's what it looks like. I've got it in the dark brown. I have it on my eyes today, and as you can see, it just kind of, it's an eyeliner. It does what eyeliners do. The formulation of it, it's really smooth. It doesn't hurt your eyes, doesn't irritate it, and it's also really good to blend. So my next favorite for eyes is this gorgeous eyeshadow. So I'll just pop it on here. If you can see, it's a brown gold hazel color. Excuse my bad tan. I need to get that off and done. These pop-up sticks, and so easy for like eyeshadow eye application. Amazing. I just kind of pop a little bit on here, blend it with your finger or a brush, and it stays put. It's a nice cream eyeshadow that actually lasts and doesn't really crease. You can see like I'm fully pressing on that, like it's not budging, it is not moving, it's not going anywhere. So that's just gonna have to stay on for the rest of this video. Perfect. Super messy, I can't believe I'm showing it, but it's the brow fix. And yeah, you just pop this on your brows. I'll just do it because I haven't actually put it on today. And it's just a brow setter. It's a clear gel. I get other clear gels that do the same thing. I've heard really good things about this, and I like when my brows just stay in place all day. So I got this one and I don't regret it. It's lasted like a year, so happy day. I have on the Pillow Talk lipstick at the minute as well. I did set it down and I don't know where I've put it, so I can't show you it in this video. But I will show you the liner that I use. It's called Lip Cheat, and it's getting itty bitty small now because I've used it quite a bit. And it's the most gorgeous. We'll pop it next to this little liner here. Kind of browny nude mauvey pink colour. Let's pop some on. I just love this. I love how like natural it looks. I love how you just add a bit of gloss and you're good to go. I put this all over the bottom of my lip as well. And then on top of my lips, if you're wondering what I'm wearing, is the Magic Lip Oil. So we all love lip oils at the minute, and me included. I'm easily influenced to spend my money on lip products and makeup. So this is the lip oil. It smells beautiful, like it smells like mint. If you're a fan of like minty fresh kind of smells, this is a good one to get. I know a lot of lip oils are like sweet and like taste like, I don't know, sweets, sugar. I much prefer like mint and fresh, so this is ideal for me. It comes in a little roller ball, you can see here. So it's really cooling on the lips, really nice. And yeah, acts as a lip gloss, but it's also like hydrating and really good for your lips. So perfect. Recommend these. It says on the back it's a lip conditioner, so it can be used at night or during the day on top of makeup. Girls, that is some of my favorite Charlotte Tilbury products. I no doubt will be trying more in the future because I really like to find like core products that I go back to all the time and I know that work. So like the foundation and the setting spray, the eyeliner, even the lip products, like they're just go-to products that you can throw on every day. You don't have to think about, and I really like them. So I'll try out a few different ones as well and maybe do some more reviews on here. I hope you guys are keeping well, and thank you so much for watching today's video. I will see you all in my next one, which I promise won't be as long as the wait for this one. Okay, bye guys.